Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope everyone is doing good. Ramadan Kareem to all Muslim. As you see here, we are downtown, Dubai downtown. This is the tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa. On the other side, it's Dubai Mall, one of the best and top mall in the world. So, guys, yesterday we were talking about introduction for life in Dubai, how to set up your life in Dubai. So as you see, many of you like our content. So that's why today we are coming for part 2. Can we call it part 2 or part 1? Yesterday it was introduction. Let's today call it part 1. So today we are going to start on how to get job here. When I say here, remember I'm in Dubai. I'm in Dubai right now. Dubai city. I'm in Dubai. So guys, let's start. For today, we are going to talk about how to get job in Dubai. So guys, many people will tell you to get job in Dubai it's easy. Other will tell you to get job in Dubai is not easy. So depend on the someone chance or hard work about it, and also for God wish. Yeah, sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's not hard. So to get job here in Dubai depends. It depends on the way and also your professional. Here I can say that some people come and get job without 1 month, without 1 week. Some people can spend even 1 year without job. So, but the good thing is on visit visa here in Dubai, you can get job. You can get job and then change visit visa directly into work visa or Emirate. You can get also Emirate ID. So there is different way to get job in Dubai. For example, I can give you like some 4 or 5 tips. So the first one is online application. The second one is walk-in interview, and third one through networking. So guys, networking is the key. Once I reach here in Dubai, just try to make network. Try to make network. And another one is recommendation. You see, when you get good network and when many people now knows you, can recommend you to one place or another. So let's talk to the first point. First point of online application. Here in Dubai, has developed city. And guys, remember, Dubai is not a country. Dubai is not a country. It's a state. It's one of the states in United Arab Emirates. So here to get job in Dubai through online application, there is different apps. I can say like Indeed, LinkedIn, Facebook, Nakurgulf, and also different many online application you can make. You can upload your CV, and then when employees see your potential, and then you can be shortlisted and come for the interview. Another second one is a walk-in interview. So when we talk about walk-in interview, some of you don't know it. So here in Dubai, there is sometime company say that, let's say that next week on Monday we have walk-in interview, where you take every of your documents and then go for the interview. You can meet like more than 1,000 people, one job, looking for job as you. So, but by the chance of God, by your professional, yeah, you can be one of will be hired by company. So the next one is through networking. Guys, as I say, when you reach in Dubai or everywhere you are going in society, network is a key. You have to do network. You have to be live with different people, because you know in this world network is a key. Networking is a key. So someone you can meet with different people and can tell you that in our company there is vacancies. So you can take your document and then go to his or her company, and then you can get job. The next things, the next tips we talk is about recommendation. As you see, I can say that, okay, let's say the name like Ivan. I know Ivan or I know Ahmad, and to our places they are hiring, I can recommend, I can talk to my boss, and then after boss they can see your potential. After seeing your potential, you can be hired through recommendation. So guys, in the end of the video, I will give you the tips or what are the documents you're supposed to have for applying for job here in Dubai. As you see on other side is on the other side of Burj Khalifa. It's waterfront, one of the amazing attraction place here in Dubai. And remember, if you want to visit, this place is free of charge. To visit and to explore this place is free. You can come and explore Dubai more. Yeah. So guys, as I say at the end of the video, I will give you tips. So show us love, guys. Day by day we give you different tips about how to set up your life in Dubai. Habibi, you look. It was our dream to travel around the world, but now we are, thank God, we are in the top richest city of the world, top richest opportunity. So guys, I wish you also you can be here. I don't know when, but you can plan to come here. So remember, we are not the creator, we are not travel agents. What we give you, it's about our experience, our research. So when you listen to this, remember to do your own research also, and you have to put into consideration that there is different job in Dubai. There is different job in Dubai. So guys, plan your everything, set your goals, play gods, play Almighty Allah, and then you don't know when, but one time you will be here. So we are going to end of the video. Let me give you the tips. So which document you're supposed to have for applying job in Dubai? First document is your passport. Second document is you have to go for interview with your visa type, maybe visit visa or Emirate ID, depends. Yeah. The other one is CV on Dubai standard. CV on Dubai standard, guys. So in another videos, in the next videos, we will show you how to do Dubai standard CV. The last, not least, you have to be ready, you have to be punctual, and to know what the kind of job you are going for the interview or you are going to apply for. Remember, there are everywhere in the world, everywhere in developed, even underdeveloped country, you can face the scammers. So guys, be aware of scammers. Nowadays, you have to do your own research. You have to do your own research again, I tell you guys. So guys, hope you get some of what you want about how to get job in Dubai. If this video is interested, please don't forget to do subscribe. So guys, enjoy. Habibi, come to Dubai one day. I don't know when we will meet and say we made it. Through this channel I get job, through this channel I get information. So enjoy guys, see you.